Hare Krishna. What is the point of reading the Vedas? What is the objective of reading Vedas? Why do I suddenly remember some things and sometimes forget some things? Why is it that just before a particular event I remember something that's very relevant? How does all these coincidences happen? Well, we should look at the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 15, verse 15. सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मतस्मृति ज्ञानम् अपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेदो वेदान्तकृत् वेदविद् एव चाहम्. Where Krishna says that I am situated in everyone's heart. Sarvasya chaham hridhi sanivishtam, situated in everybody's hriday, in heart of everyone. Matasmriti Jnanam Apohanam Cha. That from me, Smriti, remembrance, forgetfulness, Apohanam comes. In knowledge, Jnanam, Apohanam, forgetfulness comes. And then what else is he saying? That Vedescha Sarver Ahameva Vedyo. I'm the compiler of all the Vedas, Vedanta Vrid. I'm the knower of Vedanta and Vedavid Eva Sarvam. I'm the wisdom of the Vedas. So, Krishna, we know a lot of incarnations of Krishna. We know him as Lord Ram, or he comes as Pashuram, Narsingha, Matsya Avatar, Kurma Avatar. There's so many avatars, of Krishna. But one more avatar is the Granth Avatar of Krishna, or the Vedas. Krishna comes in the form of knowledge as well, in the form of Vedas. He's also comes in the incarnation of the compiler of the Vedas, Vedavyas. So he is the compiler of the Vedas. He is the Vedas himself. He is the essence of the knowledge of the Vedas himself. He's the knower of the Vedas. He's the objective of the Vedas. From him comes remembrance, forgetfulness. If we see, actually, Krishna is responsible for each and every aspect of our life. For example, let's say we're eating prasadam, right? Now this very act of eating prasadam, the food is given to us by Krishna. Supposing we offer fruits, it's given to us by Krishna, by the mercy of Krishna. We offer it to Krishna. That intelligence also comes, that we have to offer it to Krishna. That is also Krishna. Then the glance of Krishna by him accepting the bhoga is also the mercy of Krishna. When we're eating it, the intelligence and ability to eat the food is Krishna. The digestive fire that helps us to digest the food is also Krishna, and the strength, the overall maintenance of the body is also Krishna. So every aspect of life we have to see that there is a huge hand of Krishna, and that is why he's saying that I am the compiler of the Vedas, knower of the Vedas, and from him also remembrance, forgetfulness, and intelligence comes. So that is the power of Krishna. Hare Krishna.